If you're a slave to the Democratic Party or a disciple of Donald Trump, you are doing your community a disservice. Being politically savvy means being loyal to a set of principles, not to a person or a party. I know that's easier said than done, but that's how the winners play ball. Every major company in America spends millions on lobbying and political advocacy. Do you think that's because politics don't matter? Public policy establishes the rules of the game. It affects almost everything in our lives, the taxes that we pay, and the price of our food. For Latinos to achieve our full potential as a community, we need to be politically savvy. But what does that mean? It means getting educated on the issues. It means taking the time to think for ourselves. It also means protecting our brand, the Latino brand. Someone once said, if you're not at the table, you're probably on the menu. When politicians characterize our community as being a drain on our society, when they call us illegals or freeloaders, or when we allow them to say one thing but do another, it not only affects how we are perceived, it has an impact on the safety of our neighborhoods, our access to healthcare, the quality of our schools, and our career prospects. If I had my way, Latinos would avoid political parties like the plague. We would educate ourselves on the issues. We'd support candidates that align with our priorities, and we would hold those elected officials accountable. We hold their damn feet to the fire. If the Latinos did that, nothing, and I mean nothing, would be out of our reach. If you want to hear more about the Latino brand, leadership, and building wealth, follow me for more.